Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have some more spoilers for the July Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. Now, of course, this is the upgraded box, so I will start with the ones that we already know about, and then I will tell you about the new ones. First, we have the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Next, we have an item coming from Pur Lisse. We don't have a picture of the item yet, but it's the matcha green tea antioxidant priming moisturizer. Then next we have the Touch and So Pretty Filter Waterfall Glow Cream. Next is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. And then next, this is going to be a variation. So we already knew about the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette, and they showed the one in Pink Sands. Now we found out that there will be multi-shades of this, and you will either get one of these highlighter palettes or one of the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. And of course, those are going to come in multi-shades too. So you will get one or the other, either the highlighter palette or the eyeshadow palette, and there's going to be different shades of each one of them. So guys, as soon as they release any more spoilers, I will keep you guys updated. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.